Hello, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own creamy foundation base. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make your own creamy foundation. This recipe is the actual same recipe that we have used for the foundations you can find on our website, the liquid foundations. To start with, you'll need the liquid foundation base from Essential Wholesale and Labs. You'll also need the powder foundation from Essential Wholesale and Labs. I chose the espresso because I think it most closely matches my skin tone. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to give it a try. So this is very easy to make. It's really just 10% powder to 90% liquid foundation base. And to use this, or to make this actually, you'll need also a stick blender like this one. This is an all-clad. We have a video on the equipment that we use if you want to check it out. And it's very easy. We're just going to begin mixing. And we're going to add, I'm actually going to make a place to put this powder. I don't want it to all explode as I'm mixing it in. And actually, I think that before I use the stick blender, I will just go and mix it with a spoon. Just because I want all of that powder to mix with the foundation base and not fly up in the air as I'm mixing. And if this ends up being too dark for my skin, I guess I can use it as a tanner. Makeup for my legs. There we go. You can always mix if you find that one color is just not quite right and another color is almost a match. Feel free to mix and match your own powders to customize your foundation for you. Okay. This part. Okay, now we're going to really mix it in there and make sure that we have it blended well. I think that's the most important thing when you're doing this, is to make sure that you blend it all very well. Get that bit off the side there. And start mixing. Some powder there, you can see. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and scrape this off of my mixer too, just to make sure I get every drop. And this actually looks like it might be the right color for me. Now I do have a little bit of yellow undertone to my skin, thanks to genetics, and this might be a little too pink for me, so I'm going to correct it with a little yellow. Probably I'll choose something like turmeric to add a little yellow. Of course not too much. I'm not trying to stain or dye my skin, but I just want it to have the right undertone so it looks natural. Look at how lovely and creamy that is. I think our bases are fantastic. Okay, so now that that's all mixed in, we're sure it's mixed thoroughly. It looks very well mixed to me. Get my head out of the way so you can see it again. And this, of course, you can use for yourself. You can package and sell. If you're going to package and sell, we recommend a smaller bottle, maybe a 1 ounce bottle. We hope you enjoy your new creamy foundation. Thanks for joining us. You can click the More button directly below the video for a link to buy the ingredients needed to make your creamy foundation. And be sure to subscribe for more great videos.